creating a profile which I need to show you everyone. I'm so sorry for that. I wasn't speaking at all. All right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to the business aspect workshop. Let me see how many people have joined. All right. I can see some familiar names and I can see some new names. All right. So let more people join in, and meanwhile let's do the routine. The routine is simple, that everyone who belongs to a batch, please put your batch number, the batch details. If you are an alumni, just mention the batch, the course dash month and the year that you have completed. And if you are a new student, just mention new, 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 and where do you get the link for this workshop. Arunji, I hope that now the sound is coming. Thank you, Arunji. All right, everyone, please, just like Shri Devi ji, Harshita ji has mentioned, please mention your bad details, because exclusive content hota hai, that is only for the students who are enrolled in RFM, right? The rest of the content, जो जनरल कंटेंट है, और आज जैसा जनरल कंटेंट कुछ भी नहीं है. Today I'm just going to give a glimpse that what we will be teaching and what we teach in business workshops, and starting say in a structured manner we will go and we will explore the options today. All right, so anyone who is a new student, just mention NEW new and mention the source that you have got this link from for the workshop. You can mention NEW new dash YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, website. All right, welcome Sakshi ji. How nice. Just like this, just mention NEW new and the source that you have received the workshop link. So let me tell you, for the new student, what is this all about. So this is RFM workshop for the student who have enrolled. It's a business workshop that happens every Saturday 11 to 12, every Saturday 11 to 12. And then there is one more workshop that happens, business idea pitch deck, which happens every Saturday 3 to 4 p.m. So in this 11 to 12 workshop, this is what you get. All right. You get the introduction to portals to find clients as freelancer or yoga studio or your studio. So suppose you want to open your own yoga studio, how to get clients, what are those portals where you can apply and get clients. All right. Then you can get about finding international opportunities for yourself. So there are international portals available. So you want to get a visa sponsored job, or you are looking for a PR related job. A PR for a specific country, or you are looking only online clients which are available internationally, then we will be telling you in this workshop. Then ways to increase income as yoga teacher. So there comes the option of diversification, in which how to get corporate clients. Secondly, how to diversify as retreats. Okay, how to deal with clients and enroll them for yoga class or studio and lead funnel. So these two things are the new topics that we are including, and these are the things that how once you have obtained the lead. So I have told you that what is the conversion rate, that we do our calculation in terms of how much you can earn. So the conversion rate is 3%. It means if you get 100 leads or 100 students, only 3 will take admission. On that basis we do the calculation. तो ये minimal से भी minimal रखते हैं, right? तो इसको मैं आज बहुत डिटेल में बताऊंगा that what is lead funneling, how the funnel is created, and how you actually get all that people who are inquiring to bottom down to the people, boiling down to the people who will actually take admission. All right, so these two things are very important, and these are new aspects. I'll try to cover them today only. I have prepared them. So let's see. Then we will be telling you about updates on industry and job openings. So, in industry, there are, monthly, there are jobs coming in India and abroad. In India, we pick out 2 to 3 cities every week, and, we pick out the top jobs, which are most relatable to our students, and we display those jobs to them. And in the last, how to market yourself as yoga influencer. And this is, things get interesting here. You will also get to know in our special context how to open your yoga studio in just 30 minutes. Online yoga studio. All right. So once ops team gives me the confirmation, first I will give you the glimpse that what all will be covered. Right, and after that we will go into the detail, for exclusively for the students.
Yes, Dhruv, you can start.
All right, let more people join in. Are there more people coming in?
No, you can start, Dhruv.
Okay, thanks. I would request everyone to please mute. Thank you. All right. So if I can see that there are only 2 people who are in. Just a sec. I'll start in a sec. All right, students, so sorry for the delay. All right, so now let's begin with what this job portal is all about. And first we will cover the introduction to portal to find clients as freelancer or yoga studio. Now ये freelancer और yoga studio का concept क्या है? The concept is very simple. That suppose you are a housewife or you have